If you're building a PC this year, DDR5 memory isn't just nice to have anymore. It's the upgrade that'll make everything faster. We're talking quicker game loads, smoother frame times, and way better performance in creative work. But here's the problem. There are dozens of kits that look identical on paper but perform totally different in real builds. So I've analyzed 7 of the absolute best DDR5 kits across speed, looks, and price to help you find your perfect match. All the links are in the description. Let's get into it. First up, the Corsair Vengeance RGB. This has basically become the default recommendation, and for good reason. It's fast, it's reliable, and it looks incredible with that clean aluminum body and 10-zone RGB that syncs perfectly through iCUE software. The best part? It runs at high speed straight out of the box. Just enable the performance profile and boom, your CPU gets instant breathing room in demanding games and heavy renders. What really stands out is how effortlessly it balances style and performance. The RGB is smooth and premium without being over the top, and that solid heat spreader keeps temps stable under heavy loads. Perfect if you want something you can install and forget. No tweaking, no hassle, just speed and looks working together. One heads up though, it does run a bit warm, so make sure you've got good airflow in your case. But if you're building a powerful Intel or AMD rig with some visual flair, the Vengeance RGB absolutely delivers what you need. Next, let's talk about something totally different. The crucial Pro DDR5. This kit ditches RGB completely for a clean, stealthy look. It's pure performance without the show. Perfect if you care more about what's inside than what shows through the glass panel. The low-profile design makes it ideal for massive air coolers or compact cases, and setup couldn't be easier. Pop it in, enable the profile in BIOS, and you're done. It runs cool, stays quiet, and keeps your system rock solid through marathon gaming sessions or editing workloads. Compared to that Vengeance kit, the Crucial Pro feels way more reserved. It won't grab attention, but it also won't give you any headaches down the road. For budget-focused builders or anyone who values reliability over RGB lighting, this is one of the safest picks you can make right now. Now, if you want excitement without sacrificing practicality, the Kingston Fury Beast RGB nails that sweet spot perfectly. It's quick, sleek, and lights up your build with beautifully diffused colors that sync with any major RGB system. What really impressed me is how snappy it feels in daily use. Games load faster, multitasking is smooth, and even heavy creative work stays fluid without any stuttering. It hits that perfect DDR5 performance zone, giving you a real boost over basic kits while keeping installation dead simple. Just flip on the performance profile and you're golden. Compared to Crucial's minimalist approach, Kingston adds visual pop and slightly tighter responsiveness, making it perfect for gamers who also care about aesthetics. If you're upgrading from DDR4, this kit will make your system feel brand new the second you boot up. Easy win for anyone wanting style and speed in one package. Moving on to a serious performer for AMD users, the G.Skill Trident Z5 Neo. This kit is specifically tuned for Ryzen systems and hits that memory sweet spot AMD CPUs absolutely love. Enable the Expo profile and it automatically locks in optimal timings, giving you faster, smoother performance in games and creative apps alike. Visually, it's stunning. That brushed metal finish with soft RGB glow looks high-end without being flashy or overdone. Whether you're editing 4K footage during the day or gaming at night, this kit keeps everything running smooth no matter how many apps you've got open simultaneously. It's especially great if you value responsiveness and want your PC to feel as fast as it looks. Compared to the Kingston kit, the Trident Z5 Neo leans more toward fine-tuned precision than broad compatibility. It's for people who want every drop of performance from their Ryzen CPU, and it absolutely delivers on that promise. If you're an enthusiast who loves having data at your fingertips, the Acer Predator Vesta 2 might be your dream kit. This doesn't just run fast, it tells you exactly how it's performing in real time. It includes built-in temperature sensors and smart power management, so you can monitor memory temps and voltages while stress testing or gaming. The lighting is bold, the design is unique, and performance is rock solid under any load. This is RAM for people who like to fine-tune their builds and see their adjustments immediately reflected. There's something genuinely cool about watching the temps drop as your fan curve kicks in during a long editing session. While the Trident Z5 Neo was about latency and precision, the Predator Vesta 2 is all about control and insight into your system. Perfect for advanced users who enjoy dialing in their setup and want something that goes beyond the basics entirely. For strong performance on a grounded budget, the Lexar Aries Gen 2 RGB is a standout value pick that doesn't compromise. It offers that same modern DDR5 speed we've seen throughout, plus bright, smooth RGB that looks great in any build style. What I really appreciate is how polished it feels despite the lower price. It doesn't look or act like a budget part at all. Setup is quick, performance hits the mark instantly, making it ideal for first-time builders or mid-range upgrades. Imagine you've got a clean case, solid GPU, and you want memory that matches the look without destroying your wallet. That's exactly where the Aries Gen 2 shines brightest. It doesn't have the overclocking headroom or monitoring features of Acer's Predator kit, but for normal gaming and creative work, you won't feel like you're missing out on anything. It's all the speed and style most gamers need at a much friendlier price point. Finally, at the absolute top, the Corsair Dominator Titanium RGB. This name screams premium for a reason, and it backs it up. Everything feels luxurious. Thick metal heat spreaders, brilliant Capellix LEDs, and swappable top plates for different looks and customization. It's big, heavy, and unapologetically bold in every way. The Dominator line has always been known for extreme stability, and this titanium edition continues that legacy with outstanding performance on both Intel and AMD systems. It's not just fast, it's consistent, even during marathon gaming sessions or long rendering tasks that push everything. The ICUE integration goes deeper here too, letting you track temps and voltages while coordinating your entire RGB ecosystem seamlessly. One thing to watch, it's tall, so definitely check air cooler clearance before buying. But in a liquid-cooled build or wide tower case, it becomes an absolute centerpiece. Compared to Lexar, this sits on the opposite end of the spectrum. Less about value, more about perfection and design excellence. It's for builders who see their PC as both tool and showpiece. So here's the breakdown to help you decide. If you're building a balanced gaming PC and want something that just works, Kingston Fury Beast is probably your best all-rounder, fast, great-looking, and straightforward to set up. For a stealthier, cooler setup where space or budget matters most, Crucial Pro is the practical choice that won't let you down. Ryzen users chasing maximum efficiency? G.Skill Trident Z5 Neo fits perfectly with EXPO support. Enthusiasts wanting real-time monitoring and control? Acer Predator Vesta 2 delivers exactly that. Budget builders who still want RGB? Lexar Aries Gen 2 gives you top speed without the premium cost. Love high-end finishes and system-wide customization? Corsair Vengeance RGB nails that mix beautifully. Want the absolute best Corsair offers? Dominator Titanium is the crown jewel. Maybe overkill, but beautifully so. Whatever you pick, DDR5 has reached the point where all these kits deliver incredible speed and reliability for modern systems. Your real decision comes down to priorities, looks, budget, and how hands-on you want to be with your setup. Every option here will make your system faster, smoother, and more future-proof for next-gen games and workloads. All product links are below if you want to check specs or current prices, and if this helped you pick your next upgrade, hit subscribe for more straight-talking guides.